In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide notes from someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. After that, tap right here to go to messages, and that's where we can easily create a note. To do that, I'm gonna tap right here. We can write here something, and before sharing that note we can configure privacy level for that note by tapping right here at the bottom where it says share with followers you follow back. This is a default setting, however we can share our note just with our close friends if we select this option. And if we tap right here, we can configure that list. We can, let's say, remove some users from here simply by uncheck marking them in that way. And also we can add there another users by selecting them. Also we can use search to search for some specific user. And then once it is done, just hit add done, and to continue and to share this note, just tap right here. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.